Todd Egan here, standing beside one of the great sports cars, Porsche 911, probably one of the most iconic cars, certainly sports cars. The 911, I think, is the longest running production sports car that has stayed so true to its roots, and for very good reason. They are such fantastic cars. They are very high quality. But they're built with the driver in mind. And that's one of the things I love about Porsches. I'm a Porsche owner, have been a fan forever. Tall guys like me fit in these 911s, even 356s. I'm a driver, I love to drive. One of the prerequisites of any car that I have in my collection is that I drive it. I don't care if it is just finished, restored, perfect, I drive everything. I believe that's what those cars are for. Not everybody does. So if you are someone that wants to drive your car, you will love this car, the performance, the handling, everything that this car gives you. If you're someone that prefers to collect and show, special exhibition, this car is restored so well that you can do that too. And you can see every flaw in a black car. Hardest color, bar none, to make virtually perfect. And if you look everywhere on this car, incredible amount of money, I would say, has been spent on this car to make it. Every gap, every fitting, everything. An incredible restoration was done on this car. Nothing was missed. And what I like about this car, we'll go back to what I said about drivability. So the cabins of these 911s are built with the driver in mind. So they're very minimalist inside. You have gauges that are crucial, so you understand how fast you're going, what your RPMs are, what your fluid levels are, and that's all you need. Manual shift puts you back into the route where you're actually driving your car. You're not just in a car. You drive these cars. The driving experience comes from that. This is a 1973, so of the 911s, you start talking about 67-ish, 66, but 67 to 73 is that first generation of these 911s. And the first are very valuable and the final are very valuable. This is a 73, which makes it the final year of this version. And because it is the S variant, it is absolutely the most desirable of the road cars that you can get in the Porsche 911 series. So 73 final year, S variant, the most popular, numbers matching engine on the COA, the Porsche COA. Finished in incredible colors, incredible restoration. And we've driven this, I've driven this. This is one of my favorites. And again, drive it, show it, both. I think they only made in 73 a little over 500 of these. So if you think about the hundreds of thousands of cars that get produced by every automaker, when you get a variant like this down to a few hundred, you've got something that's collectible and special and will always be sought after in the market from everybody. It's one of those great cars that you can keep and will continue to always be because of its rarity, and in this case, because of its condition. Those two things come together, you get a fantastic car. So this car will sell Saturday night, August 31st, right here in Auburn, Indiana. Come see us. It's an incredible event if you've not been. It's a 3-day auction. We got a huge campus here, 35 acres full of cars, car stuff, vendors, swap meet, everything. It's a car guy or car gal experience that's a one of a kind. You'll love it. Come join us. Hope to see you right here, Auburn, Indiana.